Here's a hard truth for finance students in 2026. Your degree alone is not enough to get hired. Colleges teach you accounting rules, but real offices expect results. Messy data, bank reconciliations with 500 entries, GST filings, deadlines. That's where HATS plus Tally or Zoho certification changes everything. With HATS, you don't just learn Excel. You learn how to clean real data, build reports in minutes using pivot tables, and create dashboards managers actually use. And then comes the software edge. Choose Tally Prime if you want CA firms, audit, GST, and traditional finance roles. Choose Zoho Books if you're aiming for startups, cloud accounting, and global clients. Do this during your vacation, and you gain a massive advantage. No exams, full focus. Real projects for your resume. Walk into interviews saying, I can handle reconciliations, automate reports, and manage GST independently. You're no longer a fresher. You're an asset. Don't just graduate, evolve.